Most comfortable aviation headsets on the market, lengthy 3-year replacement warranty. Comfortable high-quality silicone gel ear protection with up to 26 decibels noise reduction. MP3, radio, iPod, iPad compatible. Pilot headset engineered in the United States. Premium noise cancelling electret microphone ensures crystal clear communication every time. Connectivity technology. Wired. Top reviews from the United States. Student pilot, I love these. They came in a nice bag with a drawstring, so when I am not using them they're clean and safe. Clear mic and sounds good. I haven't tried the MP3 function yet as focus is important. But definitely recommended for everyone. No batteries but all the features. Also it's not hot on my head and I am learning in a desert, so points for that.